Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Band 8 active, and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this smart band. First, we need to wake up the screen on our band, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the alarm icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the alarm menu. And here we can set the alarm clock or set up the alarm clock by tapping on the plus button. Then we can set the time on which the alarm should go off. And you can do it by swiping up and down on hours, minutes, and once you're done, tapping on the check mark. Now select the days on which the alarm should be be active, and you can select specific days by tapping on one of them. So check the days you like. For example, I'm gonna check Sunday and Saturday, and then tap on the check mark to confirm, and here we have our alarm. It's gonna go off each Sunday and Saturday, or Saturday and Sunday on 10:42 a.m. And you can turn it on or off by tapping on the switch. You can also have multiple alarms if you like to. Like this. And you can also remove the alarms by tapping on one and tapping on the bin icon. I forgot to mention that you can also edit the alarms by tapping on one, and here you can change the time again or the repeat option. Okay, and once you're done setting up your alarms, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch, or rather smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.